How to change Uber Eats payment method. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to change your Uber Eats payment method, you need to first go ahead and open the Uber Eats application on your mobile device. Log into your account and then tap on your profile icon, which is in the bottom right corner of the screen. Go to the wallet or payment option in the top. Now to add a payment method, you need to tap on Add Payment Method, which is under the Payment Method section, and enter your card details. But before that, you need to select either it's your bank account, credit or debit card, PayPal, gift card, Klarna, Venmo, etc. I'll go with credit or debit card. Enter your card number in the first field and then the expiration date, CVV code, country, and nickname, which is optional, and then tap on Next. Now to remove a payment method, you need to tap on the payment method that you want to remove, and then there you will see the option of delete or remove, and you must have at least one payment method on your account. Now to set a default payment method, after adding multiple methods, you need to choose your preferred one and confirm. Remember that you can't change the payment method for an order already in progress, so wait until it's complete. And if you have multiple payment methods, set one as a default to avoid checkout problems. So payment methods might not be accepted. If this happens, you can try a different one or contact the Uber Eats support. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.